Hello, everyone. This is Diane Rosso and Joe LaValle with Tips on Pips, back with lesson number 12. Keep your technical systems simple. Hello, Joe.
Hi, Diane.
Hey, this is an interesting one because you know as well as I do, there are a lot of different technical barometers out there in all shapes and colors. Tell me about a technical system that works for you and how you fall in the lineup of how many lines and graphs and pictures to use on each chart.
Okay, let's take a look at this friendly dragon right here. I mean,
He's a
clearly,
bug.
yeah, clearly you can tell exactly what's going on with the price action here. You can tell that it's a, well, is it a long or is it a short? I'm not really sure.
I'm not sure
Yeah.
either.
Um, I know we're laughing at this, and it is funny, and this is obviously something that's extreme. But for those of you that have visited um, TradingView, you probably have seen something maybe similar to this. And I think that if we take an outrageous example like this, that it'll help us understand that really simpler is better. And I'm not saying that you can't have any lines on your chart. I'm just saying that if you put a line on your chart, it needs to have some level of significance. Now let's take a look at another chart. This one is obviously a little bit more serious than the previous one, but once
Well,
again, I have no idea what's going on. I can't understand anything about
Joe, and I love color, but I like to wear it.
them.
Looking at
Yeah.
it on the chart, there's so much that has to go on in your brain to understand that. And I know that there are successful traders out there that could look at this and instantly know it and get it. Um, but not me.
Not me either. And most of the people that I know, whether it be trading Forex, the stock guys that I know, or the bond guys I know, their charts are actually pretty darn simple. And I think that that's one thing that they do is they make an effort if they're going to put something on the chart, they want it to be significant, if they want them to help trade it. Now, a lot of times, if you have too many indicators on there, you're going to get mixed signals. You're going to get one says go long, one says go short, one says neutral, and honestly, you're not going to have any idea what to do.
Joe, show me a chart that you and I would use.
Well, here we go. This is the Euro
Wow,
USD, and
big difference.
yeah, it is a big difference. And initially, displaying your price action, you've got enough choices right there. You have area charts, you have candlesticks, you have line charts, you have just a bunch of different things that you can use. And I guess maybe on more traditional, I like to use just your real basic candlestick charts. Now, I've drawn a line in here, and basically it looks like pretty good support and nothing fancy. It's just that there were buyers at this level. First time it came down, there was strong buyers, so it pushed it back up again. Came down again, all the way to the line. Buyers again came back down. And on top here, we have a little bit of weakness that we can observe from a previous high, and maybe each subsequent high is getting a little bit low to indicate that maybe the bulls are getting a little bit more tired. And eventually, when we come down to this range right here, we can see an effort to push up, but it was really half-hearted. And now our bias could be one of bearishness because this long-term bull area has been busted. And once again, this is a daily chart. It's not a 5-minute chart or a 15-minute chart. So it does have a lot of significance.
Joe, for me, looking at that, there is so much to read just in the candlesticks themselves, the shapes and the resistance and support lines that we draw, that that's all I'm going to tax my brain with when I sit down to trade. Hey everyone, thanks for joining us. Joe, appreciate you. And we'll be back soon with lesson 13.
Thanks, everyone.